Hey friends, we're out here working in the adventure van today. You can see we're in the back, working on the loft bed, a little bit of the garage space. And springtime is just about upon us. In fact, we have a really big adventure trip coming up to Moab for some mountain biking, but packing for one of these trips is super important. So I want to show you one of my absolute favorite products. This is the Arcade Belt. It's an adventure belt. It's perfect both for going out around town, hanging out, as well as all the adventures that we have planned for our Moab trip. Now you can see I'm wearing my favorite color right now. Goes with a ton of my outfits. And again, it has all of this flex so I can hike, I can mountain bike in it, and really just perform well both on the trail as well as around town. Now the belts are highly adjustable, so it's kind of a one size fits most experience. You can see we have a whole bunch of length to play with. If you like your belts really tight, again, just tighten it a little extra. If you're like me and you like them just a touch loose, well, again, they allow that nice, easy flex and the ability to dial in perfectly the sizing that you need. Now there's multiple colors to choose from. We have chosen a couple of our favorite colors. This is the Midnighter Black. Very, very cool colors. They have a ton of others to choose from. Now, one of my favorite features of the belt is the way that this clips together. You can see the belt clip is this really nice plastic. It's got that nice arcade logo on there and just clicks in with just a little push. And let me tell you, that snap is so satisfying when it goes on. Now, even though we're really trying to keep packing to a minimum, because these belts fold down so nicely, I'm actually taking a couple of colors with us on our trip just to have those options. So again, this is the Arcade Belt. They're super cool adventure belts. I've been wearing them for years, have absolutely loved them. Can't recommend them enough. Huge thumbs up for us. You'll find them right here on Amazon. If this has helped, friends, stay tuned because we have a bunch more product review videos that we're going to be doing. Definitely go check out our channel, subscribe, and we will see you again on the next one. Take care.